Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with some new nail polishes that I've recently got within the past month or couple months that I have not shared with y'all yet. These first couple of polishes I actually got from Dollar Tree. I was so surprised to see that they had the Pure Ice double packs for $1 because at Walmart I believe the Pure Ice is $2.50 maybe. um so they had colors, but they didn't have any polished colors that I liked. They had like one, with the two in the pack, there was one color I liked, but I didn't like the other. So I ended up just getting this Pure Ice bottom line base coat and a one-stop shop 3-in-1 top coat, because you can always use these. And for $1, couldn't pass that up. Isn't this cute? This is I also got this from the Dollar Tree, and I put a little L in there for Love Nails Nicole. um ooh. And this one, I just swatched it. It's such a pretty color, right? Love this pink. A Kiss Gel. They have a bunch of these at Dollar Tree also. Doesn't have a name, and I hate that because I love polished names, but this is such a beautiful pink. I might use that next. This one, I recently got a little mini Morgan Taylor because I've always wanted a Morgan Taylor, but I haven't gotten any yet. So I went to Sally Beauty to get my favorite nail polish remover, which is this. And I was standing in the line, and they had some mini Morgan Taylors. I think they were $2. So I picked this one up, and I have used this color. I don't know if I've showed it in any of my videos yet. I will post a picture if I still have one, but this one's called Paparazzi. Really pretty pink, my favorite color. Yes, this is one of my favorite nail polish remover pure acetones to use. It's Beauty Secrets. I think this is like $2, $2 and some change, from Sally Beauty Supply. It gets stuff off quick, gets glitter off really quick. This works so good. I love this. All right, so next, I put them all in this container so I can remember what to share with you guys. Most of these, actually, my son got me. He had got a job, his first job, and he knows mom loves nails polishes, and he went out and bought me all of these. This one is a Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, and I got this myself from Dollar General. They had in their dollar aisle, they were all $1. They had all Sally Hansen Extremes for $1. Shake it up a bit. It's a pretty blue. The name of it is Blinding Blue. All right, so moving on. So my son got me, all of these are from Family Dollar. He got me a LA Colors base coat and top coat. Okay. This one is a LA Colors Rapid Dry. I do not like the LA Colors Rapid Dry, but I didn't want to tell him that. I probably would use it for maybe toes, or if I'm going over swatch sticks, something like that, because it tends to make the nail, like if you do nail art, it'll definitely make it run. And it doesn't really dry that rapid either. Okay, so moving on to the polishes my son bought me. I actually had to record this a second time for some reason. I showed these already and it got lost, so I'm redoing this. So I'm going to start off with these 3. I love the tops on these. Oh, and by the way, I ended up swatching these 2, so that's how they look. Ooh, almost dropped you guys. See a little better in this light. A little bit. But love the colors. The tops on these are really pretty, right? So these are the LA Colors Mermaid Magic. This one is Coral Reef, and if you can see, it's like a shimmery orange. This one is called Opal, and it also has a shimmer. It's like a white. I would say it may be more of a topper. I'm going to have to swatch it and see. This one is Pink Pearl. This one I think I've worn, or I put on my mother's nails. I think I've worn this one though. I think I have 2. he doesn't know, you know, what I have, because a couple in here I do have already, but he didn't know. But it's okay to have two. Thinking about doing a giveaway closer to the end of the month. So this one is the LA Colors Hypno Holographic. Let's see, I'm trying to see the name. The name is Surreal, and this is so pretty. I love this. The Hypno Holographic. And then next I'll go to these gel-like shines. So I have two pinks. They are not the same. One is Vixen. The other is Spontaneous. And I hope you guys can see because this lighting is crappy. This one is Rockin' It. Love this color. One of my fave colors other than pink. This one is also a shimmer. I think this one might also work well as a topper. It's called Pink Sugar. It's actually really pretty. Can't really get it to show, but it's like a peachy pink, I would say. Very light. These two I do have already. He got me Frozen, which is a pretty color and goes great for a Frozen cartoon nail theme. I think it's a perfect color for the cartoon. This one is Treasure Island. Really pretty. Glitter. This one, love the color of this one. This is the LA Colors Metal Nail Polish Collection. And this color is Marvelous. I don't know if I had this one already or if he got me this one. I can't remember. But it's so pretty. Did I swatch this one? No, I didn't. Here, I'll swatch it really quick. Ooh, yes. Oh, that is gorgeous. And just one coat. Still beautiful. Looky there. I don't think it's showing the beautifulness enough. Cause I don't have on all my items, I just have one on. It's hard to see the sparkle in it, y'all, but it's really a pretty color. Love it. Yeah, that was Marvelous from the LA Colors Metal Nail Collection. Did I show y'all this one already? Because like I said, the other video cut off on me. I can't remember what I showed. This one I bought from Dollar Tree. It glows in black light. They had a bunch of different colors. This is also, as you see, LA Color Glows, Color Craze. The name of this one is Electric. And I only grabbed one because I thought, like, when the heck am I going to be in black light to even see the glow from it, you know? I don't know. So, I just got one. But is that it? Yeah, that is it, you guys. Everything from my nail polish haul. Thank you guys for watching. I am going to be doing more vids daily to participate in the Vlogmas LuvNails-Mas daily vlog for Christmas. So yeah, keep an eye out on for my videos. Make sure to, the heck's in the way, turn on the notification button so you guys can be notified of my next video that comes up. Please remember to subscribe, click that like button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.